need to take care of my sister. This is my only sister. She's the apple of my eye. I don't want to go to your own story. No stories. I beg. You two should live in peace now.
And Mom, I am happy to hear your husband say that you are taking very good care of him. Please, keep on doing the good work. And keep on being a good ambassador of our family. No Don't forget Mama. The trainings we gave to you. No problem, Mama. You know what I can do. Trust me. I trust you, my daughter. And you, my in-law.
Yeah.
Please, take very, very, very good care of my daughter. Biko, love her.
If I don't take care of her, who will I take care of her? She is my love. And I shall always care for her.
I swear.
No problem. But I'm going to miss you.
Oh, take care of yourself.
No problem. You too.
I'll miss you in this house. Now, it's time.
Mama, I'll miss you. Mama, take care of yourself.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Anytime he wants you to go home, don't forget to jahile your former. Because I want to carry my grandchildren.
No problem, Mama. You will for more days.
Onto that, yeah. I'm a Nine Su of Mama. Nine Su go.
Mama.
So bad.
Mama, we have to be on our way now. You can see the weather. It's not friendly.
So bad.
Can we go?
Okay now. Stay journey.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Silas, you've been gone for 2 days. 2 days! Today is the 3rd day you are back. Without my motor. Where's my car? Where's the car I sent you to get from the mechanic?
Say something now.
Silas! Where's my car?
See, see, I wanted to come there with the car. So, see, as I was passing, I did not even greet people. I did not give. I was going on my own. You know, I'm a peacemaker. I don't like trouble. So, see, in fact, let me tell you people, let me talk the truth. Let me talk the truth. As I'm talking to you now, I'm coming from the lion's den. I escaped death. How?
You will go back. You will go back to the lion's den. I will send you back there to get. Where's my key? Uncle, where's my car key? Where's my car key?
Where is the key? Talk. Where is the car?
Say something now. You are still speaking in parable.
Ichie, you know I like to greet people. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, as I was coming, even when I see fine girls, I do not greet anybody. I don't like fine girls. So I was coming. So the thing, when I see some people, they stop. In fact, the thing is that I went to tell the mechanic, give me my car, my brother's car. Mechanic, he said, it's not your brother's car, it's your brother's car. In fact, it's not your brother's. He was talking nonsense.
Silas, you are lying.
What is this?
You are lying. You are lying. I need my key. I need my car key.
He refused to give me the car. The mechanic refused to give me the car.
You see why I'm arguing with you now. Let me just call the mechanic.
Yes. No, don't call him. His number is switched off. Or charge your phone. Please. Don't call him. See, his number is switched off. I told you.
Did you give the car? Tell us.
Mama, see, the thing is that the mechanic transform a street here and born. That is the why. So, and he did not. So, when he. Let me talk the truth. They said, truth shall set you free. You know, I'm a child of God. And I go, there's what is called dominating for biscum. Dominating for biscum. If you want to say kum, say kum. So, they give me the car. Let me talk truth. So, after I fight with the mechanic, he finally gave me the car. So, I was coming on my way. I saw some boys. I said, no, this looks like somebody I know. No, it's not like somebody I know. So, he said, the next time I see, pam, like this walking stick now. It's gone. Stop there, you silly bugger! Else I will kill you! I said, never! You cannot kill me! Hey! He said, you're going to shoot me. They said, we are armed robbers. I'm the chairman of the armed robbers union. They say they want to use it operation. I should give them the car. I said, this car is not my brother's car. People should leave this car. I will not take it. Never! I wanted to fight them. Mama, they nearly shoot me. Hey! They wanted the guy gone like this now. Let me shoot him! Well, the other one said, don't shoot him, don't shoot him.
But where is the car now? Where is it?
Yes.
Sorry,
I did not know you were talking about the car. So, as I wanted to move, the guy wanted to shoot me, they dragged me down. Say, I told them, please, this is my brother's car. You know my brother, he doesn't have legs. So, people should not shoot me.
So, you are indirectly mocking my son?
No, Mama, you know he doesn't have legs. Don't fight me yet. He don't have legs again. So, as I wanted to leave, they dragged me down and took the car. Mama, they took the car away. I'm robbers.
What?
They took the car.
Which car?
Hey. Oh, I'm robbers.
Hey! You are a liar. Yo, Mama. Nana. Do something now.
So he thinks he can run away from me. No man can run and leave me. He will see what he has done to himself. His family will pay for this. We shall see.
Please, nurse. How is she doing now?
She didn't make it.
No. Please, nurse. If it is a joke, just put a stop to it. I don't want to hear this again. Just tell me nothing but the truth. Tell me exactly. What did you just say?
She couldn't survive the heart attack. We tried to save her, but unfortunately, she couldn't make it.
Ekwe, you have had it. What did we do? What did we do?
So my mother died because of silence. That stupid boy, this useless cousin of mine. My mother is dead. Oh God.
Listen, look. No amount of crying, whipping, bitterness can bring Nene back to us.
Yes.
Eh? So pull yourself together. Eh? Like a man. Pull yourself together. Body, soul and spirit. So you can overcome this sorrow. Eh? Please. You know what?
Uncle, no. If Silas killed my mother,
It's not the end of your life. Put yourself together.
You will fall. Yeah.
One thing goes, another comes.
Call her down. Please. Call her. It's okay. Eh? No, listen, I know how you feel, eh? But please. But that boy is Silas. By the time, in fact, I will deal with him myself. Don't worry. Please.
Let's catch up with him.
No. No.
Silas, how many times did I call you? Mama.
Papa.
Hey. Mama, you should be thankful to God. You should be thanking God that your son came back with his head on his neck. Eh? If we am for the Bible, if you see what I saw, Mama, you will carry Bible. I came back here miraculously. I escaped death. And you are still calling me 3 times. Mama, you need the book mass. You have to book mass from you. Book mass for your son. Thank God for coming back.
Silas, I should book mass. I should book mass for you. I should book mass for you, where?
Now. Mama, see, you need to go to morning mass. Go to morning mass tomorrow. Go and give God. Say, God, thank you that my son came back alive without dying. And you people are talking about car. Eh? Me and car, which one is better? Which one is more valuable? Car and me. Car that I can buy 10 times tomorrow. Coming back home alive is more important than car. It's more important than carry a car. And you're talking about this thing. Hello, car. What's all this? I wish you leave me. I have come back to my father's house. Let me use my head and be useful. Where are you going to? Silas, where are you going to?
You cannot run away from me. We share a bond now. You are my husband now. I have come to stay in my husband's house. Wherever you go, Silas, I will go. So, can you please show me my room?
Hey! Wow. Mama, I think
which one is our room? Okay, I guess I'll just help myself.
Silence me kotego kwa ikotego kwa banjije isikotego abatari ya nosa Mr. Silence echemina wanya ikotego kwa banjije Mr. Silence ne ibatibe abatari ya nosa abanda bagologi wa kiti tolibe ikotego kwa banjije benya biwa woto babosa abatari ya nosa.
My mother sends her condolences.
When you get back, tell her I said hello.
I will. So, how have you been coping since the death of your mom? And you know your only sister just got married last week. How have you been?
It's been hard. I've been alone, all by myself. Sometimes I have to get the neighbors to help me do some stuff. Very lonely, it's just me.
It's okay. You'll be fine, alright?
Thank you.
I don't want you to get sad or frustrated. God will definitely send a helper. Alright?
Thank you. Hey, tell me about yourself. Like, yeah.
Myself?
Yeah. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, but there is really nothing special about me. Anyways, I am a graduate of microbiology from Nnamdi Azikiwe University. I have had my own fair share of heartbreaks. In fact, I just broke up with my 8th boyfriend while we were in the hospital.
Wow. I've had similar experience.
You are not serious, are you?
Yeah, very similar experience. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so I think it's time you tell me about you.
What do you want to know?
Everything. Everything.
Okay, so ask the question and then I'll answer.
Who do you really say you are? Because I was looking at you with that thing you were doing with my son Silas. I didn't just want to talk. But now I want to know who you are. Who are you?
I am Silas's wife.
What did you just say? You are Silas's wife. And you have the boldness to open your mouth to tell me direct. You see me standing in front of you and not even afraid. You are telling me, you are completing your teeth and you are telling me you are Silas's wife. Now, so, okay? Don't worry. I am looking at you now. You see these eyes, they are quite open. By the time I close them, stay back. So look at me very well. You want to try me? That's sitting down there, you balance. Come off now. Let me come back and see you. You know what I will do to you.
Hey, look, see, there is no need to elaborate this contour of the fantasy. Papa will do to you before.
Therefore, I have to go straight to the point. Considering your present condition, we have discussed and decided that it is pertinent that you begin to think of getting married. Not as soon as possible, but within this period. It will help you to recover bigger and stay happier.
Yes, look, you have heard from Ichie Ikwe. What he said is very important. Your sister is now married. Nene, your mother, just passed away. You will not remain like this at all. Therefore, you need a woman who will help you, give you all the necessary support, because night is horrible.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. By the way, do you know Bagili's daughter, Uchedo?
No. No, I don't know. What about her?
She's the woman we all have in mind for you. Yes, for you to get married to. See, we have already discussed with her mother, and she very much agrees with her intentions.
Yes, Nchedo is a very good girl.
Look,
you will like her.
Uncle, please. I'm not interested in arranged marriages. I beg. Please. Besides, I'm already in love with somebody else. She's from this village now.
It's okay. This is exactly what we are praying for. So,
and it makes it easier for us. So what we need to do is expedite action. Perform the marital rites immediately, so we can bring our wife home.
Oh, yes.
So everybody will be happy.
And you will be happy too.
Yes. It's your happiness we are really after.
I will tell you.
Okay, now I've heard. Okay. Let me get to her and I will give you the feedback.
It's okay. I'm married now.
Mama, what is it? Look at it very well. Look at it very well. Go back there again. Look at it.
She's not. What is it now?
You're speaking English. It's not what?
I don't understand though. She's a witch.
Silas is an obanje. She's an obanje, Silas. Take her away from this house. I'm begging you.
But the problem is that I'm tired. How she managed to know my house is still mysterious to me till today. I don't know. Somebody did not give you your house address. Sure, come to your house. I don't understand. Because I am tired. I don't even know what to do again. I will give my life up.
Silas, you are singing. You are singing. You are singing. I don't know who will give you the chorus. You are singing. Are you hearing me? I don't want to see that girl by the time I come back to this house. Silas, like you brought her in, you packaged her in, please. Package her out. In an infant, I've warned you.
Sweetheart.
Hey! Hey! Silas, where are you going? Hey!
Sweetheart. Sweetheart, I'm calling you.
Hey!
Sweetheart. Sweetheart. Sweetheart.
Sister. Sister, I am very happy for you.
Thank you.
I am very happy you found love again. That man is indeed a nice man.
Yes,
very nice.
Yes, so he's a nice man.
Thank
you.
He
is. When is he coming?
He said he will be coming officially with his people very soon. But Mama, I want something small. A small gathering, yes, just our family members. Yes.
Sister, if I have my way, I will want to turn this celebration into a big one.
Anyways, you don't have your way. It is my way, and I want it really small.
It's our marriage, not yours.
Mama!
My daughter. Mama. Whether quiet or loud marriage, what is more important is peaceful marriage. For you to have peace in your marriage. So, there's no problem.
Thank you,
But what
Mama.
I want to ask you, are you sure you want to do this?
Mama, why are you asking this kind of question?
My daughter, I want to know if you have thought about it properly. Because this said young man has lost his mother. His only sister is married. How are you both going to manage in this condition?
Does it look like I have a choice, Mama? If I don't marry him, who will marry me?
Hey.
Who will marry him? It's better we find ourselves this way, in love and happy. Mama, because I don't want to spoil my mood. I'm happy now, and that's what really matters.
Spoil the mood, Daddy. Spoil the mood, Daddy, because keep smiling. Keep smiling for me.
Sister.
Whenever I see you smiling like this, it makes my life longer. Because,
Mama, please,
keep smiling. Don't worry.
We'll find a way about that.
Congratulations.
Hey, look, listen, you can't marry that girl. You just can't marry her. Marrying her will ultimately defeat the purpose. Oh. Yes.
Now, Uncle, what is that purpose? What is the purpose?
Look, you need someone who can take care of you. Someone strong and healthy who can ultimately carry, take good care of you. That girl is
Can I not marry because of love? Can I not? Is it a crime? That I love someone and I want to be with the person must beg.
Hey, look, love does not matter in this situation.
Yes.
All you need is a helpmate. Both of you are crippled. Who will assist to who? You see, don't say we did not advise you. Better reason this thing carefully.
Please, don't call her a cripple. Don't call me a cripple. Find another word. Don't call her a cripple.
And of course, who says you can't get love and assistance from someone who is whole, someone who is strong? And
I have thought about this hard enough. And this is the person I want to be with. I love her. It's enough for me. Why now? It's okay. Whether she can walk or she can't walk, it's fine. I'm okay. I'll take the blame.
You see, we can see you are being stubborn with this. But do not say we did not encourage you. Think about this carefully. I have said my word.
Mr. Silence, Echemina, Wana. Ikotego Buaban, Mr. Silence, Neighbor, a battery and also a Bagologiba,
You see that thing you brought into my house? Eh? Please, I am begging you. Go and package it the way you brought her. Eh? I'm no longer comfortable with her. So let her leave my house.
Well, there's nothing I can do. My hands are tied.
Is it gonna?
Even me, I'm even confused and scared the way you are. So anything you can do, go ahead.
What do you want me to do?
Finish her.
Did I bring her?
Mama, anything you can do, do her.
You will take her back. You brought her. You caused this, so you will take her back.
How will I know that she's a good girl and she's
I heard everything both of you were discussing about me. But I must warn you, I am not going anywhere without my husband, Silas. If I must go, he has to go with me from where I came from.
God forbid. God forbid. Holy Ghost! You are keeping quiet. Silas, you are keeping quiet.
I'm not among
Is it getting?
I'm not among you.
Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Hey! Hey!
Mama, come and remove her. Are you running away?
Silas, let's go back to the bedroom.
Bedroom? You see, you know I've been panting. You see the way I'm breathing. My breathing is not good. Can't you see? I need hospital.
Silas, let's go back to the bedroom.
Bedroom? Why not we stay outside?
I don't want to look for you.
I'm panting. Mama, you cannot keep your mouth shut.
A battery and also Mr. Silence, Echemina, Wana. Ikotego Buaban, Mr. Silence, Neighbor, a battery and also a Bagologiba, Kitty Tolibe. Ikotego Buaban, what the Babos, a battery and also what the Benya what the Babos, a battery and also.
Good morning now.
Hey, look, there's nothing good about this morning. Hey, look, what is good about this morning? Nothing is good about. Don't ask me that kind of question. When you know who your brother is.
Silas, don't begin again.
Yes, now. Silas brought a ghost to my house. Yes, I eat and sleep with a ghost inside my house.
What do you mean by you eat and sleep with? What are you talking about now? What is it?
Hey, look, you always ask me questions that are very difficult for me to answer. I've just told you. Do you know what happened? From nowhere, slap!
Who slapped you? Silas slapped you?
No!
The ghost slapped you?
Yes!
Mama, I beg now, please. I don't have time for all of this. I'm going to my in-laws' place. You let me come back. When we come back, we can talk this matter. I beg.
Okay.
It's Silas, see them, they are here now. Uncle, welcome. Welcome. You have the drinks, everything done ready.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. Titus.
Can we go?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me this one.
I'll carry this one.
Now who will help me now?
Don't worry. You always worry. Don't worry. Let's go. Gently. Oh.
Sunrise a boom. Hey, whoa. Hey. I'm not doing it. Hey.
Silas.
Huh?
You're supposed to be in the room.
I don't want to be in the room again. I'm tired. Can't you say my life is disappearing? Do you want when I disappear from the bed? Huh? Don't you get tired? We have been doing this for how many hours now? 5 hours, non-stop. I'm supposed to follow my brother now, where they are getting married. I'm supposed to go there, and you refuse me to go.
You go nowhere today.
I go nowhere. Oh, please, it's okay now. Don't look at me. Hey. Oh God. Hi. Huh? Hi.
My people, considering the condition of my niece, that you came to seek her hand in marriage, you will still have to wait a little bit longer. You hear? Just because of her condition.
That is no problem. That is no problem at all. We are here. We can't. Wait.
Crippled couple.
You can see we have visitors here. They are here to seek your hand in marriage. Do we have to continue with it, or do we ask them to go?
Yes, Uncle, please accept their drink.
My people, you can hear her. She said we should go on with the celebration. When I hear Ikeji, I go say Ogwaso. I want to go to Baka.
This life is too short, grudges are waste. Always look for perfect happiness when laugh when you can, apologize when you should. Let go what you can't change. You know God, destiny has joined you.
What's happening now? Why are you sitting here like that? What's the problem?
You're asking me why I'm sitting like that. Okwaya, come and see what come and see what I am doing here. What is all this? Hey, look, you are a very, very wicked man. You are wicked. Oh, so you married me to kill me, Ekwa? No, since you couldn't kill me in the accident, you decided to bring me to your house to come and kill me here. Isn't it?
Saying all of this thing. What is the problem now?
What is the problem? You're asking me what the problem is. You are my problem. Hey, Loka, you are my problem. Let's look at me, Loka. I am hungry. I'm pregnant at the same time. Is that not pure wickedness? Hey, Loka, give me food to eat. Give me food.
Okay, calm down now. Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down. Let me find
what?
Calm down now. If you want me to find, let me call person.
Hey, look, you are shameless. And God will punish you and your generation for that. You are shameless and wicked at the same time. So you want to call the whole community before we feed? Ah, woo! Shameless man! Shameless man! punish you. God will punish you. Wicked man.
Oni, stop. Not to do like this.
Give me food to eat. Stop telling me to calm down. Give me food. Wicked man. Eloka, where are you going?
Wait now.
Eloka.
Report cup, akolotuonu, anolotuogu, osonifane. Report cup, anotuogu, akotuonu emetula.
Eloka, God will punish you wherever you are going to. You brought me to this house to suffer. God will punish you.
Report cup, report cup, report cup. I can't believe this. They were like cat and rat. But now...
Uncle, I was wondering what was keeping you now.
And look at my son, I'm sorry. You see, I've been thinking. Our people used to say in our language, Igbo language, Emengwangwa, Emegradachi. In English, it is said, a stitch in time says 9. I've been thinking, why don't you start up a little business for yourself? You see, your wife is pregnant. Soon and very soon, she will put to bed and children will start coming. So you need something fantastic that will aid you take care of them.
Uncle, I have been thinking the same thing. But I need money. I need money to start something.
Now, why don't you sell one of your lands?
I have only 2 left though. I've been selling. I have only 2 now.
You can sell one, especially that one at Amagid evening. You sell it, then use the proceeds to establish yourself, to set up a good and fantastic business. You don't have to be begging from people, one person to another. You go to this person, you beg. You go to another person, you beg. To eat or to solve problem. Bano, it's not good.
Uncle, I just want to start a small business. I just need some small money now. I don't need to sell my land. I just need some small money just to start that business.
Hey, Luka, where is the money supposed to come from? Let me ask you. Where is it supposed to come from? There is no money anywhere.
I thought you would help me.
What is biting you is biting another person. So what you are feeling, another person is feeling it. There's no money. You use what you have to get what you want. You are a businessman. I want you to think about this and do something seriously. There's no more time. Please, my son. I beg of you.
I can't believe this. They were like cat and rat. But now see, love in it was if I can mania. I can't believe this. They were like cat and rat. But now see,
come and help me now.
They are Romeo and Juliet. Now, if I love you, love us, Abugafa, Onebufa Kamanya, total peace of mind. Someone, Cripple couple. This is power of love. Love us, Abugafa, Onebufa Kamanya. What love can do. Someone, Cripple couple. Cripple couple. Don't mind them, their job. Truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green grass. One them, they don't just hurt you. On your principle, they take pride in the pains they cause you now. So they take pride in the pains they cause you. They try to blame you always, but you don't have to fight them. And also wanna hug their plot will shame them. Oh, their lies will bring them down one day, but you don't have to fight them. And also wanna hug their plot will shame them. Oh, their lies will bring them down one day. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Silence in
Where is the bucket of water I kept in this place? Oh, so bucket's not developing like so walk up. Yeah? Silence! Silence! Joy! Joy! Nobody should try me in this house. Nobody should try me in this house. What nonsense is this? What nonsense is this? I can bucket of water leave this place. Silence! You don't want to answer where? Joy! Hey! Hey! See! Silence! Come outside. Come and bring this water. I want to take my bath. I want to make Joy! You were shouting. No. I was not shouting. I was just no, nothing. I was looking for the bucket of water I kept there before. I used it. Get another one. Okay. Are you okay with the one you use now? Oh, I should bring another one for you.
You deserve peace of mind. Do you agree with me? One Ebwa makiwa nenuwe niye makisiye. Ebwa makiwa niye makisiye. Amuma najua. Amuma najua.
I just want to apologize. I mean, about the way I spoke earlier. It wasn't intentional. It's just that I'm frustrated. I don't know what to do. We are good people. We don't deserve to be like this.
Abby, it's okay. It's okay now. I understand. I know you are frustrated. I'm frustrated too now. It's okay. Look, whatever the case may be, I have to provide for my family. I can't watch you be hungry. You ask for food. See food now.
Yes. Thank you. And I promise to always stand by you. I'll bear you children. Lots of children, okay? We will be fine. Alright?
I know. It's okay. It's okay. Let's eat.
Okay.
I want to start a business.
You are not serious, are you?
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
That's awesome. It's a very good idea. Shoemaking, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I know you're very good in shoemaking. All you need to do is just try to gather up some money, send to your business partners in Aba, your friends, so that they could get you materials. And, you know, we could set up a shoemaking shop here. And we'll make lots of money.
Mm-hmm. You have business sense.
I know.
You have business mind. This is my wife. That's why I've always loved you. I'm telling you. Always been very supportive of what I can do. God bless you. God bless you.
God bless you too, my husband.
Yeah, no. One for you.
I know you. You're definitely not going to give me that food. You know what you always do.
I'll give you, I promise. Promise.
Oh!
Sorry.
The baby.
Sorry.
He wants some food. And please don't joke. Don't joke with him.
Oh, okay.
Make sure you give me the food.
Oh, yeah, now open mouth. Open mouth.
Iloka is a very stubborn boy. He's very, very, very stubborn. So you will not relent. Keep talking to him, oh?
If I may ask, what does he need the land for? I thought he will accept my offer so that I can buy the land at a giveaway price for him to have money. You know what I can do, baby?
He has no choice. He has no choice. He will succumb. Just keep talking to him. I have some important things to do at home.
Wait. Don't go yet. No. We seen this evening the usual place here. You understand now?
This one you are saying baby. When you say baby, you bend your neck to the left. It's not always I like it to.
You know me very well. You understand? If I don't call you baby, who else will I call baby? You're my baby now.
Okay, don't worry. I will come.
I'll be expecting you.
I will come.
This time around, I'm going to give you a surprise package. Something that you will never forget in a hurry.
You have started. No. If I don't see the package, what will happen?
Don't worry.
I will use you. I will use you to replace the package.
You know you are my baby. Don't worry. You know you are my baby.
Forgive others, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because you deserve peace of mind. Do you agree with me?
You see a very big bowl by the side of that chair there. But
Auntie, do you really want to do this?
It's not a problem. All I need you to do is just to row me out to somewhere I can stay and sell the water. Biko.
Come in.
The ways of God is not the ways of man. The ways of man is not the ways of God. Everything that happens in this life is for a purpose. This life is too short. What is a waste? Always look for perfect happiness. Laugh when you can, apologize when you should. Let go what you can't change. You know God, destiny has joined you together. Crippled couple, nature has brought you together. Crippled couple, akolo to anu, anolo to ago. Osoni fanema. Crippled couple, anoto.
Orugo kane runun, ayunu diri kana lonun. Unu semu mbwambu kwanu unu semu happy anunu. Aru se jaramina sana tanu baseke tina gadera yemanorio. Ala manu ni hunu ne punonono. Okiri kana bukwa sadari yenu kiri kana kiri odudo. Woman, do you cook for her?
Yes, I'm the only one that does the cooking in the house.
Okamiri na mwana kuno kunana makuno kusiruno bianu norugo koserunun. Unagaba wazino makakuna ya bazini yanketeno. Mban. Olugwalo miyenda mena tetiram no huru diri kanna lonun. Take this. Add it to her food and make sure she eats the food.
I will make sure she eats the food. I can't wait for her to leave my house.
She will leave, but make sure she eats the food. The rest will be the history.
Thank you very much.
You may not go.
Don't mind them, they're just truly, they don't just hurt you. They are green snake in a green grass one they know her. They don't just hurt you. On your they take pride in the pains they cause you now. So they take pride in the pains they cause you. They try to blame you always, but you don't have to fight them. I know so wanna go. Their plot will shame them. Oh, their lies will bring them down one day, but you don't have to fight them. I know so wanna go. Their plot will shame them. Oh.
You think I don't know where you're coming from?
Please, I beg you. Just let me be, Biko. I beg you, please. Oh?
I will expose you. I will expose all your evil deeds today.
Don't give me, please. I'll confess, please. I'll confess. I'll confess. Hey!
Hannah?
Are you serious?
How do her? Okay, you like her?
Yeah.
Yeah, they do better shoes, oh.
I don't see
correct ones.
Fine.
Nice.
My God.
See, you will give me customer.
I'll give you customer. I
beg. It's
also,
important.
I know they owe you.
No, I say you don't do transfer.
Okay. I don't forget.
But if you dash me something, I will see my condition.
I'll give you small thing.
Thank you.
No, Alan, I go connect you.
Thank you. Well done.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. I go wait for those customers. So, well done.
Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Silence me,
Oka! Ogono! What is wrong with you? Hey, fire! Fire! Hello! Hey, Silas, you're looking at me. Fire! Hey, I killed Nene. Yes. I killed her. I killed Nene because I was jealous of her. Hello! Fire! Hey, look, please forgive me. Please forgive me. I am responsible for all the bad things that has happened to you. Yes, hey, go fire!
Obi fellow fanazu, mane ebwe makiwe, sisi niye makisi. Forgive others, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because you deserve peace of mind. Do you agree with me?
Hey! You're old. Yes, sir. God has blessed you.
Hey, my son. Hey, mama. Hey, welcome. Hey.
some good things in here for you. Everything, Mama God don't.
Nene, what are you doing? Nene, what are you doing? Nene, what are you doing? Nene, what are you doing?
You will not like this village. I will put the sun on your face, Mama. God has blessed your son.
Give it again.
I will make you the envy of all women in this village. Mama. Mama. Hey. I have another one inside though. I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down for you.
I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it.
Mama.
Now NEPA, they no bring lights. The block self when I buy, no last. I beg, no vex. Don't worry, next time when you come, you make me to roll. Mortuary standard. Thank you.